Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 30th, 2024. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic number 9686. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box here. Single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Only one dual box. 1 and 2, well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, it's already filled in, the 3. Alright. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And the last shape in this puzzle, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, 1 digit left, number 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then these two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in, the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If it places 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 2 in this area is supposed to be there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Yeah. Then, let me see. 2 and 3. Well, let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. Those 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. So 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. I think this box should be 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. For the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Whoa! We solved it again. We solved it again. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it on solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow for the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.